Hello, I'm Donna with Shalom on the Roam. I wanted to make a special introduction for today's video because it covers a very delicate subject matter. As my friends and I were walking across the footbridge overlooking the Hoover Dam, we came across a gentleman who was sitting down on the bridge, and as we began to talk to him, we discovered that he was contemplating suicide. He let us know that he had mental health issues and that he was in a deep depression. And I want to let people know that when people are that depressed, they can't reach out for help. You know, everybody says, hey, reach out for help if you need anything. They just can't. A person who's that depressed, they just feel like they're drowning and that there's no way to the surface. And so when you know somebody who's depressed, please pay attention. Let them know that somebody hears them, somebody sees them, somebody cares for them. Just be there for them. Reach out to them because they can't do it. This video also has some lighthearted moments, so I hope you enjoy the video and take special heed to the delicate subject matter. Thanks for watching.
I don't know why she told me it's not your fault.
The view here on the way to the Hoover Dam is amazing.
Never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone.
We're at a checkpoint now, and it looks like it's a little long. I think this is about how far I made it last time. No, a little bit further. There was not a checkpoint here. And then I had to turn around because it was closed. Roll down all windows at checkpoint. I wonder what the deal is with that.
They want us to let the virus leave the car before they come.
That's right. I figured it out. The virus has to go out by osmosis or something. For COVID, because the virus was all around the dam or something. I don't know. I didn't quite understand. I still don't understand. Do you understand? I don't get it.
Virus like water.
Oh, okay. I did not know that. Gotcha.
And the virus is really effective at night. That's why they close the store early.
Oh, okay. That's why we can't go out and shop at night. Okay. But it's not in movie theaters, right? Not anymore?
I think they open movie theaters.
I think so
But
too.
I'm not sure.
Oh, and you don't have to wear a mask at Planet Fitness anymore either. Or at least the ones we've gone to.
No, the two of them actually.
We've gone to two of them that said no mask required.
Mm-hmm.
So, I guess that vaccine must be effective. It's like stopping it in its tracks. Alright, we're at a security checkpoint at Hoover Dam, and they made us pull over so they could inspect things a little bit more. Anyway, I suppose that it's because they don't want any explosives and things like that. It's just for the safety of the dam. I think that it's just to make sure that we're not here to harm the dam, which makes perfect sense. So, they're just checking everything out. Friend Chuck, he's just resting for a minute until we get done through the checkpoint. He's been waiting patiently. How's it going, Chuck?
It's fine. It's a little warm out here, but
Yeah, just waiting patiently for us.
yes.
They had to check.
Damn foreigners are gonna check out the damn foreigners.
I think it's not so much the foreigners, it's just because we had junk in the car.
Junk in the car.
Yeah. Yep. I think that's all it was about. Because of the dam, they don't want anybody blowing it up. About the checkpoint.
They didn't check anything. They just harasses us.
Oh.
If you want to check somebody, you profile them. That's what you do.
Yeah, they didn't profile you, did
No.
they? They didn't even ask you where you were from.
Right. You profile the people. That's how you know. You don't have to search the car.
That is the Israeli way.
Right.
It's not the American way, though.
I know.
No profiling around here. It works in Israel, though, doesn't it?
Yeah. Good? Is it good?
I think we're ready to go. the power lines down here, which is what the Hoover Dam is all about. It's power, so I guess that makes sense. Earlier today we passed a bunch of solar fields, and I wish I could have filmed that.
This is the way to go, though. You see the people walking up there?
Yeah?
But it says Hoover Dam straight. Should we try here first?
However you want to do it, we can do it either way. Might as well do this first. Open dawn to dusk. Yeah, we can just do the whole thing, whatever we're allowed to do. Alright, I'm here at the Hoover Dam with my friends Nissim and Chuck. We're fixing to climb a bunch of stairs to the top. There's the highway up there. Or, well, just the road coming in. Welcome to the Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge Plaza.
I'm making a rule.
What are the rules?
Blame the first available woman.
That's BS. Total, complete BS. We'll let you keep thinking that. That's what it says the rules for visitors are, which is stay on paved walkways, do not disturb rocks, plants, or animals, do not climb on hillsides, walls, or railings, do not skate or bike within this facility, do not leave children unattended, and do not litter. Okay, well, we can abide by those, I think. Like we're coming to a point of decision making. Either we go up steps or we go up the ramp. These guys choose steps. Hello, where you at? Oh, it's kind of a cool place, huh?
So far.
When you're gone, don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate.
Dam, and I think it's kind of interesting that there's a lot of electrical towers, and they're all leaning. Don't really understand that, but I'm sure there was some amazing architecture that went into that. That's pretty cool. So you've got the water at that level up there, and I don't know how tall that is, but that's a long ways down to the water that's down there. So this is definitely one massive dam. I know that a lot of men lost their lives in the building of this dam, but I've not looked up at how many it was. Makes you a little dizzy being up here and looking down at that water. There's some air being put into the water for some reason.
On my own, but I don't know why.
Now I looked down and noticed that there are like some medallions on this bridge.
When you're gone, don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. It's not your fault.
So who is a
That I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes.
instead of good?
Stairs. Well, Chuck and I took the stairs. Nissim decided to take the ramp. Took him a lot longer. Long ramps, but I like the ramps because that means it's wheelchair accessible. Although I'd hate to be the person that pushes somebody in a wheelchair up those ramps. Tory tour bus at the Hoover Dam, of course. Gotta have at least one tour bus everywhere you go in America. Just up there on that bridge, and Nissim came across a guy, an older man. He was 77 years old. His name was Dan, and he was sitting down. And he asked him, "Are you okay?" And he said, "No." And Nissim didn't hear this, but the guy said he had mental health issues.
I heard it.
Oh, I thought you just thought that he fell.
No, well, that's why I stopped. But he said, like, when I talked to him, I said, "Are you okay?" He said, "I'm sick and tired of this life."
Oh, okay, okay. So that's what he said to Nissim, and to me, whenever I asked him, he said, "I have mental health issues." So Nissim immediately called 911, and I have no idea how long we waited with Dan, but we waited until security and cops and stuff came, and that's cool. Gotta take a break. This is how it was built. Kind of hard to see, but oh, there you go. Just don't drop it. Thank you. Here are the leaning electrical towers. That is pretty fantastic. Kind of hard to really show it.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just stop?
No running over people. Nope. It's negative points if you run over people.
Depends what people.
Does it depend on what people? Good job today, Nissim. You saved a life. I think we all did, actually. But poor guy just needed a little bit of human comfort.
Up there or here is good enough?
Yeah, here would probably be better than up there. Well, we could drive up there and then come back down here to walk around. I don't know. What do you want to do?
Let's go up there because there's no...
We don't want to have to walk all the way down there from up there, though, right?
Up there from up there?
No, where we
there
just
from up
came
there?
from. We're going to walk around down
No,
there,
we're gonna
right?
park here,
Oh,
yeah.
here we go. There's where we can park. Because there's some stairs that goes to the tour area. Alright, now we're down at the other end of the Hoover Dam. One guy was explaining that whenever he first saw the Hoover Dam, this white area was way smaller than what it is now. So apparently the water level is way down from what it was many years ago. But I don't know, it may go up and down all the time. That's generally what happens around dams, right? Hey, I'm at the lower side of the Hoover Dam. Earlier we helped a guy who was going to commit suicide, and I'm looking up there now. I'm sure you won't be able to see it in the video, but I see police lights just barely.
Helicopter is coming.
Oh, maybe they will come here, but I doubt it. But anyway, It's probably an ambulance. They asked if he needed an ambulance, and we said probably so. One of the ladies that stopped to help is a physician's assistant. The helicopter's probably the local news recording. What do you want to bet? All this was covered with water, so why is it not covered with water now?
Water deficiency. Don't have enough like we have.
Sucking it out of the river for too many towns and cities and farms and
Human consumption went up.
humongous.
By double almost.
If everybody lived like us, then it wouldn't be a problem. Because we are very water conservative.
Take a shower with less than a gallon.
Yeah, yep. Although some do 2 gallons.
Well, I don't have hair.
No hair. 1 gallon. That's a 1 gallon shower there. That's a 3-gallon shower. You can wash it with you can wash your hair with a gallon of water. Okay.
Wow, look at this, man.
Oh wow. That's empty. An empty channel. It's pretty cool. It looks a lot cooler if there was water in it. We're doing lots of walking today. No hike needed today. Stairs, walking, saving lives. This clock says it's Arizona time, and I'm sure the other side is going to say Nevada time. I can see it, but I don't know if you'll be able to see the clock. There in the distance, Nevada time. So, we can walk across in Arizona and walk back across in Nevada. That'll be cool. That across the water, I guess the boats and such can only go that far, no further.
17 feet per second, or 12 miles per hour. When the water reaches the inlet to the turbine, its velocity is increased to 70 feet per second, or 0.8 miles per hour.
That's what I thought you meant.
After it exits the turbines, the water flows back into the river some 500 feet below where it started its journey. Portraying the purpose and need of this noteworthy engineering achievement.
And Chuck.
Fixing my hat.
He can see himself. We walked across the river and got to Nevada side. We're at the Hoover Dam, 1931 to 1935. And I found a rare specimen out here at the Hoover Dam. It's called a water fountain that works. How is it?
Cold and good.
By following the wheel of time around the back of the monument, you will locate Vega, which has become the North Star thousands of years into the future.
Exhibits building is closed. All tours and exhibits and all that stuff is closed. But the restrooms are open. Just happen to look over here and notice there's a bunch of coins down there.
50, 40, 50 bucks there.
Oh, there is not.
It's like dying.
All those little spots are coins, mostly pennies and
No, there is.
nickels, maybe a few quarters.
This is an Israeli coin over here. You see the two-tone one? Right by the rock, by the little rock. There is might be a screw or something.
job, great job. Have a good day. More steps to climb.